Hey guys, welcome to the Lefty Crafty channel. In today's video, we will do 3 high-end DIY home decor. So please stay tuned and let me know which one is your favorite. For the first project, we will be using 2 wire baskets, and I will recycle the lid of this coffee container and I will just attach it to the basket. At this point, I will use a flat black spray paint I'll be using this wire to attach the 2 baskets. This will serve as the hinge of these 2 baskets. I will use this O-ring from a keychain, and using a cord, I will just wrap around it, and then I will just simply attach it on top of the basket. And this is the finished product. Now you have a high-end looking lantern. For the next project, we'll be using a clear glass and a hot glue gun. At this point, we will just randomly put hot glue on the surface of the jar. I'll be using a flat black spray paint and spray it all over on the glass. I wrap the glass with a piece of paper, leaving at least 1/4 space from the bottom. And using a metallic gold spray paint, I will spray the bottom part of the glass. And this is how it looked like. This is the finished product. For the last project, we will need a circular base and some sand. Simply pour the sand on the base, and we'll add some succulent. Right now, I will use this Waverly chalk to paint this candle holder and add some cord to make it more a little bit farmhouse and rustic style. And let's add some candle. Now, this is the finished product. She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift and hope that you'll take it into her side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.